that looks really
Babe. You're sweet. You sweetie. Oh my gosh. Wow.
That is so nice. Dang. That looks good, babe.
Holy crap.
That looks really good.
Oh.
No reaction.
Hi there. I'm leak proof. I'm insulated. And I have a built-in straw. I know. Where have you been all your life?
You never experienced that
I
one.
haven't.
Ha.
Oh my
Damn,
Lord,
that
that's
looks
freaking
hella
legit.
nice, babe.
That is freaking
I think it might be
legit.
the same one that Han has. Now
it
that I'm
really?
looking at it.
Is it
I
really?
think so.
Am I a biter?
No, because his has a big ass sticker and a white one on the bottom.
It is the white one, huh?
They're gonna look
Oh,
so.
collision sleeve.
I ordered 2 different ones.
Nice.
Because I'm not sure which one I'll like.
Oh,
Dang,
yeah,
they look
babe.
so nice together.
Okay. Saturn.
I'm gonna show you guys how I keep my lashes fresh, okay?
Fresh.
So I got this from my lash lady.
For free.
Included in her price, which is kind of insane, but I have to come over here because, whoa, they're looking crazy. They look great.
I think they look good.
Okay, so I literally just put a couple pumps, kind of move it around with my finger,
Boompa boompa.
and then another pump,
Oh my gosh. It's kind of violent.
and then I scrub. Look at this.
Nice.
And then go over here. There's this. Give it a splash.
Ooh.
Paper towel. And go like this.
It's the lash maintenance. This is pretty legit, dude.
Isn't it? And then you're just gonna brush them very lightly to get any extra debris.
To get any extra debris. The one stray out of all those, not too
I
bad.
know, and did you see me scrubbing?
Mm-hmm.
That's how you do it, you guys.
Friction is good.
Boom. That's how you get clean lashes. That will
Amen.
last. This is over 2 weeks already. Just saying.
If you got a good lash lady.
Yeah. Thanks, babe.
Mm-hmm. This is your egg.
Mmm.
Here's my toast.
Ooh.
There's your toast.
Yum. You're gonna change.
You want salt and pepper?
No. I actually cannot deal with wet fabrics, so I need to change my shirt. Okay, I'm all changed and we got some packages. Look at what this package says.
What? What the?
Take a guess who that's from.
I wonder. Sounds like it's from a fairy.
I already know what this is because she told me.
Oh, a court of thorns and roses.
Everyone and their mother has been talking about this freaking book. And both my besties are now reading it. So she was like, I need you to read this book. So she bought it for me and sent it to me.
Really?
Why such big boxes? Which color? Let's see.
I think I'm leaning.
Really?
I think so. That is really cute.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
That is so cute. I want to. Oh wow, strong. Okay, this one. Matches the main top.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really liking that.
Candy
That might be
coated.
hard to beat.
You know, I was leaning towards this one at first, but seeing it on.
Yeah, I think that
Might be
one.
the pink,
I think
yeah.
that one.
I
But this
agree.
is really cute.
It
Do you want to
is.
try this one on yours?
Pink
That just
actually
looks
is.
so cute. Yay!
That's candy coated.
Candy coated.
Candy.
Breakfast has been served.
Guess whose is whose?
Who do we think is Gordon Ramsay scrambled, and who do we think is Edward Manzano over easy?
Yeah,
Anything else for you?
that'll be it.
Alright, we'll have it out the window.
Thank you. She might not know. To Anthony.
To Anthony. I think it was Anthony. One time this guy named Anthony at 7 Leaves.
Apparently.
Actually, it wasn't even Anthony himself.
What's it?
We just heard through a messenger that Anthony. Whoa, where's this guy going?
Wow.
Oh, that middle lane, bro.
let's go as fast as this.
Anthony. Yeah, we freaking on Valentine's Day.
On
We got 3. The one time we get another coffee for his mom, we get all of them for free.
All 3.
All 3 for free. I was like, that's what we get for doing a good deed. We got another good deed right back to us. We always get this lucky, dude.
It's ours. It's ours. It's ours.
We got the first spot. First spot. Hey. Oh.
Ooh, that is nice.
Isn't it really nice?
That
And
is
then
nice.
like I could put that painting of me.
This is just chair.
Yeah. That looks so nice. I feel like I could sit in your lap really well in that chair. That looks so good. $5.92. We could do it.
Mirrors here.
Here's our completed haul of stuff. We spent $100. We got some organizers, more organizers, and some shelves. Super excited. Wow, I didn't expect the ring.
Oh yeah. That's hard.
You didn't expect the ring.
Crispy, baby.